Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you the 5 best free boat navigation apps. Let's get started. First on the list is Navionics Boating. This app offers detailed nautical charts and GPS tracking, making it easier to navigate safely on the water. Next is Marine Traffic. This app shows the real-time location of ships and boats around the world. It's great for avoiding busy areas or tracking major shipping routes. Third, we have CNav. It provides interactive charts and useful navigation tools. You can plan routes, check tides, and monitor water depth. Coming in at number 4 is CNav Free. This app is great for beginners. It offers offline charts and simple maps, so you can still navigate even without internet access. Finally, there's Maps.me. Although it's mainly used for land navigation, it also offers offline maps for coastal areas and ports, which is helpful when planning trips to marinas. And that's it. Those are the 5 best free boat navigation apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.